sitting and we got a 7-hour drive. So this is pretty sketchy. I wonder why it's not. I guess we need to probably look into getting a bigger trailer. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we made it here to Little Rock, Arkansas. We did get a new build for the channel. So let's get inside, get all the paperwork taken care of, and start loading this sucker up. Oh yeah. Watch out for this guy. Dang! Check out those wheels, man. I think they're 22s. Maybe 24s, but I think 22-inch wheels. That thing is looking pretty clean.
We didn't, I mean...
It was listed as a London
it does. Yeah, that's what I'm going to tell y'all. Now the pictures, you know, how many pictures did y'all see?
Guys, look how careful this guy is being with it. What an awesome guy.
Mad respect.
Hey, it's looking a little too wide.
Man, this guy's zooming. Oh, snap. It might not fit. Wait.
Can you take it up just a little bit? I don't want it to get this rim right here. It's right up on the edge.
Hey, tell him to go that way a little bit with it. Hey.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, you're good.
Maybe just a tad bit forward. Hey, is that a little...
Awesome job, man. Appreciate it.
That was that slipping I was telling you.
Yeah.
It does one way or the other. It's heavier than about that.
Oh, man, we appreciate it. You take your time, man. Good stuff. Thank you.
Super awesome guy right there. Big thumbs up to him.
What's up guys? Next day here, we got the truck in the shop. It was a little tricky getting this sucker unloaded since the front wheels do sit a little bit wider than that on the trailer, and I couldn't find the key for the wheel locks, so we ended up using a bunch of wood to build over the trailer wheel wells, and we got the sucker to roll off just like that. This is a 2010 GMC Sierra 4x4 Z71 edition, and the winning bid on the truck was $7,800. I think that's a pretty good deal, but let me know what you think down in the comments. Let's go ahead and check out the damage and get to work. Starting off on the inside here, we do have a driver wheel airbag deployed as well as 2 front seat belts. But guys, check out how clean this truck is. This has got to be one of the cleanest cars we bought from auction, unless it was like a 2020 model. But mind you, this truck has 148,000 miles. This is the all-terrain package, and it was really well taken care of. So starting off with the good, and then we'll work our way around to the primary damage. These are the hostile 24-inch wheels wrapped in 33-inch tires. This one right here is in pristine condition. Not so much with the others. The fender doesn't look like it's got any damage on it, but it did get shifted over just a little bit. Luckily, it's not touching the door when you open it. We got the all-terrain package, but check out the tint on that windshield. I'm pretty sure it's illegal here in Tennessee. We do have the 5.3 V8 motor with a dead battery. So I am gonna try to get this thing started here soon, but I think we're completely out of gas. So the front end is pretty much clapped, but it's not as bad as it looks. I can't wait to start taking some of this apart and really digging into this damage. Moving on to the suspension, we have a busted wheel and a busted up knuckle, so we don't have any steering. I can't wait for those parts to come in and have this truck as a run and drive. Check out the lift on this sucker. So yeah, I'm not too sure why Copart listed it as a run and drive, but I'm pretty happy with the damage. I can't wait for that knuckle to come in and have some steering back on the truck. We also got some damage on this door, but that's not a big deal. Other than that, the truck is in really good condition. I can't wait to give it a good wash and clean it up. For now, let's go ahead and jump on this front end and start tearing things apart. All right guys, so we got the bumper, hood, and fender off. It was a bit tricky not to put any more damage on the door. Now we're gonna move on to the front end, get these radiators freed up, and just keep moving from there. check this out, guys. So we got the rec support out of the way. The AC condenser is still good, but the radiator is not. We did pick up some parts coming back from Arkansas, like the radiator support. So let's go ahead and bolt that sucker on and go from there.
Invincible.
Woo! You also got the fender.
Yes, sir.
So we did get the radiator support bolted on. So now let's go to move on to the fender. And then we also got some headlights for it, right?
Man, I'm excited to show you guys what kind of headlights we got.
Sponking on that side.
Oh, you're good, dude.
Hold on. Alright guys, that's a wrap for this episode. We made some really good progress on the new build, and I can't wait to get the rest of the parts in and get this beast back on the road. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on your post notifications for more awesome builds like this. Also, give us a follow on Instagram at DannyTV. Thanks guys for all the support. Drop your thoughts down below. Thanks for tuning in. I'm out.
We'll be right back.